Taga Manila ba kayo?
Taga Dasma lang po.
Dasma lang, malapit lang.
Maganda no ma?
Sabihin mo sa kanya, magbabudget siya ng flowers. Kasi to, dapat magpuno ng flowers, tela, ganyan.
Tapos dun po, ay ayun yung may ano, no? Yung isang venue nyo.
Yes,
Yep,
we'll get there.
Yep.
Tayo. So, ito, parang pwede maging entrance ng mga guests. Pero yung bride will be coming from that, ano, from that place. Oh, look the girl. What's her name? One leads to the gazebo. This one. Parang, we call it bridal walk, but it's a very long walk.
Ang cute din.
Yeah. Okay, so we go inside.
Ito rin maganda din to. Tapos dadami pa yung plants.
Oo, sa November. Marami pa yan. By November, what's good about yung palapit na yung Pasko, lahat ng mga bulaklak in bloom. So actually, ito konti pa yung mga gumamela niyan, yung mga bulaklak niya. But comes in October, November, full bloom na yung mga bulaklak.
This is amazing. Do you love it, Twinks?
And this one naman is our main garden pavilion where we can hold yung mga yung reception. Parang reception area.
Pero pagka ganun ba, ginamit yung hall tapos itong reception, magkaihiwalay yung bayad?
Yes, magkaihiwalay. And we also have, meron din kaming honeymoon cottage or bridal cottage. As you can see, actually this, yung arrangement ito is actually perfect for a non-Catholic wedding or for a Christian wedding. Kasi diba dito yung walkway ng bride going to the ceremony. And then yung bridal cottage naman is just here.
Ah, sa baba?
Oo.
Ah.
Yan yung pinaka-bridal cottage. So, well, dyan siya magbibihis or makeup.
Ilang rooms po meron dyan?
Ha?
Ilang rooms?
Isa lang yan. Isang room lang. I'll show you. So, parang itong trellis na to, exclusive yan for the bride. For the bride and groom. Now, the room kasi, if you occupy the room, you occupy the whole place together with the swimming pool. So, meron siyang sariling private pool. Wait.
Twins, come on. Be careful with the wire. Look at your step. Be careful. Come on. Careful with the wire. Don't touch it. Just step.
Pakitanggal mo nga muna yung wire, please.
Here, Twinkle. Come on. Ang cute naman ng swimming pool.
So yan, may kiddie pool and big pool. And then the swimming pool, may ano yan, may waterfalls yan. Yung waterfalls niya, yung buo, yung pwede kang magtago sa likod ng waterfalls. So the idea here is syempre pag bridal groom, nandyan yung parents, diba, or family members. They can get together here. Eventually, we're gonna be putting parang mga picnic tables here para dito sila mag-breakfast or lunch with the family. So, when you occupy this, it goes with this pool area. It's all yours. You can go skinny dipping, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Anyway, this is the bride.
Hey, Twinks! Here!
Ito yung pinaka-bridal room. We're still going to work on the furnitures and all. Here.
Wow.